trip somebody, man, because it's just that much of a pileup. Hey, Bohawk, but you made it. Listen up.
Ricochet, you said it like you heard it,
Neil? I definitely heard it now. Take care now.
Give shooters a happy 4th of July. Ricochet, you got to get down your way, Mohawk, San Avenue, West Virginia. Walk in little old baby for West Virginia. I need somebody to clean up my receive.
Hey, Bohawk, take care, brother. Yeah, man, you're giving me 30 over, man. You're giving me 30 over, man, but listen to this gate, man. Everybody's bringing it, man, I'm telling you. Mother Nature's happening. It's popping. Hey, Bohawk, listen up now. At 30 dBs, check this out.
Ricochet, first time.
And then down there, everybody got tangled up at about 30 over. I'm easing off.
Sure, if you got right there, Ricochet, Mohawk can get you on the Watergate another day, one thing is today on the wrong radio. But anyway, there, Ricochet, it ain't nobody but Mohawk. I'm going. I like that replay. Wait,
brother, good job yourself, man. Here's you one more flash, but check it out.
Ricochet, Mohawk can get you on the Watergate.
Take care now. I'm easing off.
Headed out there to read the mail. Alabama Skiff shooter said, hey, it's too crowded to read the mail, man. Oh, Alabama Skiff shooter, big man, reading their mail. Sit still, rocking the mail.
Hey, man, I'm going to play it back. Yeah, man, there's 37 on that gate, too. I'm hearing everybody that's on this gate now. If you on this gate now, I got a flash of you now, ain't no doubt. Check it out. I hear you, 37. Watt meter. Ricochet gone.
Wait, my hand is a 2112. Screwdriver, state of Maine, which one? Bars up there around 2025, they're making it real. Renegade.
Hey, man, I'm on rolling. A727 shooter too now. Hey, Bones, I'm on rolling now. Listen. Right about there now. That was that 727 and Bones. That'll be chicken bones. Come out.
Can make it out there. Hey, I appreciate it. Renegade, I appreciate it. Renegade, Mr. Renegade, Alabama gives you. Stepping on back. Hey, Mohawk. Hey, couldn't you hear me? Hear me now.
Mercy, man. That's damn near 40 over now. Everybody was bumping about 40 right there now. Hey, it's a 40 dB pile up. Listen up. Check it out.
Ricochet, it ain't nobody
Lord have mercy, man. I'm standing by.
You got a pile up, absolutely do, Ricochet. You got a pile up down there in Georgia. But I gotta tell you, if I can get in, hey, Ricochet, you're absolutely cleaning it up there in the corner. You absolutely are, hey, Ricochet. Sounding good? 122 to then, you know.
I appreciate the playback. Somebody gave me a playback, man. I'm going to wave at everybody, man. I do hear a little bit of here and there. Like I said, man, y'all giving me 40 over right about there, man. And it's still hard for me to pull one particular radio out, man. It's just that rough, man. So I'm going to sit back in the cut and see what pops up. Ricochet in Georgia. One more playback for everybody. Chicken bones. No, but listen up. Chicken bones, all the way. everybody take care now. Spike that thing down every now and then. Ricochet, Georgia's gone.
Yeah, this real crap.
Well, you have yourself a good day, Ricochet. Absolutely been fun. I love those playbacks. You take care, Ricochet. 122 waving from the northeast corner, state of Maine, out of it. Bye-bye-bye.
Hey, Bones, take care now. You're the only thing I can pull out right about there. Hey, Chicken Bones, it's your 40 dBs. Ricochet, Georgia, bye-bye.
Down in South Georgia, no doubt. Oh, 45 told you that, and we getting off ski. Very slow, Will.
You know, you better watch it, You better watch it, Ain't no doubt about it. Take care now. Everybody enjoy that skip, man, because, man, we definitely got a buttload of it right about now. Everybody get out there and get them a slice of that DX pie. Bye-bye-bye.
Mine's your finger. There, Ricochet, Mohawk got it. We used to.
Hey, Bones, listen up now. And, man, there's a pile of radios coming my way. Bones, listen.
Georgia. Can anybody talk in Georgia while Ricochet's got him all the way down?
Hey, Chicken Bones with that Dave made technology. Ricochet in Georgia with my Dave made steel. I'm right back. Come out.
Alright, there, Ricochet. Walk up here on that amazing piece of steel. I'm going and I'm gone. Hello, Ricochet. He's on Fox in the love country waving a paw. Oh, they can't have all my Russian steel there.
I'm going to wave my paw right back at you now. I'm going to wave my paw right back now. Ricochet in Georgia on my day.
You tell me what's going on down here around the backwoods.
Well, you had yourself a good one, Ricochet. Absolutely a good here, and you're rolling through the corner. Ricochet, you're 10-8 and great. You're clearing it up here in Maine. Ricochet, have a good day. 122 in and out waving. Bye-bye-bye.
45 over. Check it out. Alright, man, I'm going to say big old doggone, man. Like I said, I'm going to sit back for a minute, brother. I'm going to sit back and listen in for this. It's that doggone rough, man. 45 dB pile up I'm easing off.
Here's 2112. Tell me, man, he must have a...
That's what happens. That's what happens when old Mother Nature opens that door. When Mother Nature opens that door, that old Ricochet runs right through, grabs that piece of pie. No doubt about it. 'Cause he likes pie too. Hey, Ricochet, have a good day. 122 northeast corner, Maine, letting you know I'm back out of the road. Bye-bye-bye.
That's right.
All right, there, 22. Hey, 21, 12, 21, Dirty Bird. Hey, 12, 21, Dirty Bird.
Tennessee.
21, you're some more Dirty Bird in a Bible. Bye.
Our speed's overall. 40 dBs all over the place down here. I'm going to get out of here. Y'all have a good morning. 44 around Alabama. I'll see you.
Well, 44 in the van, sounding good way up north. 122, state of Maine, bumping it down and letting you know.
Hey, 2012, 21, Dirty Bird in the backwoods, goddamn.
All morning, my friend. Hey, 122, been your talk show all morning. Six-pack, continuing to listen in, my friend.
Hard to tell where the Mother Nature is, six-pack. Absolutely is. It's moving on me a little bit up here and real noisy in the receive. But hey, six-pack, you just bumped it down and cleared it up here in the corner. No doubt. Sounding good out of 10. Six-pack, 122, letting you know.
Dirty Bird, back out.
122, I sure appreciate you. Mother Nature smile on both of us. Say 122. Continue your talk show, my friend. Top shelf in Tennessee. Just wanted you to know, 672, getting back out of the way.
672. Can you say old school? 672. Can you say... All right. Scarecrow even. Yeah, with you. We're going to... Bye, 2112. You got my record.
2112, I appreciate you get back and let me know if those junks are working.
about it?
112, appreciate you letting me know if we're working. 614, heard you easing up in there. Morning, Northeast Corner, 6 packs.
In the backwoods, I got down. Mr. Six-Pack? Mr. Six-Pack making a whole lot of noise up here around the state of Maine, as you always do. Your friend, Mr. Screwdriver, on a weekend wave in the air. Pump it down on you later. We will sit ourselves. Stop showing off. Stop showing off. You tell her 841, here come Dirty Bird. Tell her 841, hard puncher, and here come old Dirty Bird. Y'all tell 841 to grab his gun and run. Worldwide bird in the... Jesus. Dirty Bird, Dirty Bird, Dirty Bird. Mohawk looking for that Dirty Bird. Ooh, what a man he's out here. Just talking to myself.
Oh, Mohawk, you are sounding good out of Virginia. Absolutely. All right, Mohawk, sounding good out of Virginia. 122, coast of Maine, letting you know.
Lumberjack 309. And look at it, 2112, like you, me too. Green light gone. 2112, man with no name in Tennessee. Oh, number 2, here come Dirty Bird in the backwoods. Dirty Bird. Oh, number 2. Jeez. Come on. You fucking around with anything, or what are you doing? 841 Birmingham, come on down. Oh, boy.
About that Dirty Bird, Georgia. You just rolled right on up through. Absolutely did a Dirty Bird. 122, state of Maine, trying to wave.
Hello, number 2 in the stone, your long-time friend. Son of a... And the pain is gone. 841, tender like you. Sure hate it when that happens. 41, Kentucky waving.
About that Dirty Bird, 122, coast of Maine, trying to wave.
Why you sound like with a little bit of weight on his back? Hey, 2112, what's he sound like with a little bit of weight on his back, that break? Well, hard punching, dangerous, 841 in the big bam. Working my magic show. Now you hear him, now you don't. I'm up, get out there, break.
841, you're a bad man. 841, you're a bad man out of the BAM. Absolutely are. 122, trying to let you know, sir.
Mohawk, left showing off. Hey, Mohawk, 841, 122, Dirty Bird in Georgia with a wave. Oh, good morning time to you, Mr. 122, Dirty Bird in the backwoods with a wave back out.
Waving right back at you, Dirty Bird. Been trying to get into your receive and get that quick wave. I know it's pretty rough and tough out here, but hey, a Dirty Bird, you are sounding good way up here into the corner. Absolutely are. 122, coast of Maine, letting you know, sir.
122, I appreciate it, my friend. Looking good, too, back down here around the backwoods. Keep up the good work. Hey, 122, coming over the trash and making it down here in Georgia. Hey, 122, Dirty Bird in the backwoods.
100% copy on that, Dirty Bird. You had yourself a good day. Absolutely good putting the old speak and spoke on you, sir. 122, waving from the corner and back out. Bye-bye-bye.
Hey, click. I'll see you. Bye.
No more waving at you. Great Lakes.
Hey, good morning, 420. Good morning, time to you, 420. Bird. Here I come. Hey, 420. Time to you. Dirty Bird is right. 41 in the big bam. Come on down.
Hey, T-Bucket. Hey, T-Bucket. Old coat hanger in the tin. We'll wait.
Hey, 840, you know that ain't gonna work. Hey, 420, tell him I said Pop Not Jones. Apparently you later on, hey, 420, I'm dealing with Pop Not Jones. I got down. Over to the East Coast, but I did hear you in there, and I wanted wanted to acknowledge your station, no doubt about it. 420-841 Birmingham, leading on this marathon.
Suburban in Manchester, Tennessee. Oh, ticket number 8, the great big old Suburban. Here comes your homeboy, Dirty Bird, Dirty Bird, Dirty Bird. Hey, number 8, you represent well. Oh, ticket number 8, while you cruise in a great big old Suburban, Dirty Bird. Bite, bite, bite.
Manchester, man. 73, started. 420, had a good time in Northwest
Hey, number 8, I appreciate you letting me know I got some kind of mall laid down coming up around East Tennessee, no doubt, man. Well, you sounded real good when you're pushing that great big old Suburban. Hey, number 8, keep up the good work, my friend. You know how we do it in the dirty South? You know how we do it in the dirty, dirty South. Hey, number 8, stay and donate, but don't be late. Dirty Bird got down.
It's the Dirty Bird Talk Show. It's the Dirty Bird Talk Show way up here in the corner right now. I gotta tell you, we're in your receive again, a Dirty Bird. Keep doing what you're doing. You got the talk show going up here in the corner. 122 in and out.
Hey, 122, I appreciate the flowers. I appreciate it, man. You got it going on, too. I heard my homeboy, number 8, he's down in that great big old Suburban. He's up there in Manchester coming home. So I had to throw him in the Hall of Fame, no doubt. Hey, 122, up there around the state of Maine. I'm just doing my thing. Worldwide Dirty Bird. I'm representing Team Made in Georgia, and I'm back out.
You doing it right there. You're sounding 10-8 and great, Dirty Bird. You were sounding at 10-8 and great up here in the corner on that. We're going to slide back out, listen to your talk show. Dirty Bird, you take care, sir. Always a pleasure. 122 waving from the corner and back out. Bye-bye-bye.
No pain, no strain, man. I sure can. This big old drag and breath hammer. Put it on you later on. Hey, 122, Dirty Bird this morning with his drag and breath hammer. I'll see ya. Bye-bye-bye. These boys ain't ready, they maws ain't heavy. They can't push with me if they ain't riding drop-top Chevys. Hey, 420, they maws are fast, but they ain't really heavy. You can't pull around with his drop-top Chevy. Worldwide Dirty Bird, the drop-top chicken box. Ooh, get down. The handle. I
heard my friend the old man laid out. The AAC, trail box. 357 just hanging around.
Hey, 2112, I use them. See for a double and dummy load. Hey, 2112, you tell them Dirty Bird to use them boys for a dummy load. Hey, 2112, worldwide Dirty Bird is my turn to burn. Come on.
Sound 357 right there.
357, 357, 357.
You say 395. Sensors unit standing by. Break.
Yeah, 309, back out. Gee, man, it's so rough in my radio.
I appreciate it, 21.
I'm trying to cut that double in 841 radio off. Hey, 420, I was trying to tag up in New Jersey so I could score. I told them about it. I even showed them a dump running picture. But go figure, they want to come on with something bigger. Worldwide Dirty Bird, they 420, you ready to roll this morning time. Bye.
57 in the 10.
Dirty Bird, you are cutting it off. Hey, Dirty Bird, you are getting it done up here in the corner. I just want to let you know I do have the video gate rolling. Hey, Dirty Bird, 122 in and out, just letting you know.
Real good job.
Hey, 122, I appreciate it.
Real good job. But what about right there? It ain't nobody but me working these 3 times 3, 3, 5 on his Z's. Worldwide Dirty Bird.
I'm gonna get all up and dirty. You'll kill you, man, up here real low country. Let's go.
Hey, Caveman, and when you do it like that, I'll leave a mall on the mall. Hey, Caveman, let it be no mistake about it, because I am about it. And when you do it like that right there, coming out the low country, I'm going to leave a mall on the mall. Caveman, let's do it. Break.
Up here in low country. Enjoy what's left of the weekend. I'll see you. It's 495, dog.
Bye, Caveman. I told you I'm going to drag these mud runners. I'm going to drag these mud runners. Them boys just holding maul, but them mauls ain't heavy. I'm rolling with this drop-top Chevy. Worldwide dirty bird. Hey, Caveman, it's just too damn easy. I'll see you. Bye.
Right back up. I heard you and I heard Blue. Just give him a tickle and drive it there. Y'all, man.
Yeah, don't turn it else on. If you want to drive it, leave it on the driver. If you want to drive it, leave it on the driver. Don't take it off the driver. Bye.
Just in Tennessee. He'll come out of 26. So you're going to get your feeling. Okay.
357-10, you just rolled through the corner, absolutely did, in rough conditions, no doubt. 357 Tennessee, 122 Coast of Maine, letting you know.
Having fun and running what you brung. Alright, y'all take care of there around the muck.
Hey, D.I., ain't gonna be no governor, no dragging and feet out here today. Hey, D.I., it's Super Bowl Sunday, and I'll be on the 285. Hey, D.I. in Maryland, Dirty Bird with his great big old dragon breath this morning. Break.
Alright, 357, all the rest of you out there in Mohawk, down here around Charlotte Speed, 3600's quiet. Good morning, 48 Chicago, while you're coming through the back, so
420. Dirty Bird, say good morning. Dirty Bird, great big old fry.
HDI in Maryland, 841 in the Big Dam, and the pain is gone. Alright, 748 Chicago, I just don't know where to point this thing right now. I'm thinking northeastern states, but you're coming through my side door like you got real estate. Keep them stirred up.
Man, rail cut off, what are you gonna do? Hey, D.I., you won't be doing too good after this next transmit. Hey, D.I. in Maryland, I gave the boy a head start, but I'm going to walk him out your radio this morning. Hey, D.I. in Maryland, Dirty Bird, #1 contender in Georgia, got down.
Down this way.